demonstrate how to use some circuit breaker lockouts. There's two sorts. There's the large circuit breaker lockout and the small pin type circuit breaker lockouts. So what I'll do is I'll shut off this board here. I'll then put my circuit breaker over there. I'll do up the screw so it doesn't come off. And I'll put a padlock through the bottom so no one can access the screw until I'm ready to turn it off. The other type is the pin lockout. This pins over the top of the small circuit breakers. Shuts off. I then put a padlock through that. And they're both locked out, neither can be moved.